Good afternoon, friends. Today we will continue our discussion about tokens. Okay, we have discussed three things, three, not four things. Okay, so what's a token? It's the smallest element of a program that is meaningful to the compiler. We already discussed about keywords, identifiers, constants, and special symbols and strings. Okay. So now we will discuss about operators. Operator is another. Okay, operator you already know, plus, minus, into, star, slash, all that are operators. So this operator is also a token because compiler can identify that. Okay. Operators are symbols that trigger an action when applied to a C variable and other objects. Okay. The data items on which operators act upon are called operands. Okay. So what it is saying is that I am performing an operation A plus B, where this plus is our operator and A and B are the operands. Okay. Okay. Depending on the number of operands that an operator can act upon, operators are classified as follows. So operators is been classified into different type depending on the number of operands it can handle. Actually, we have seen two things. For this one, for plus is an operator. It can handle two operands, a equal to, like that, a equal to b is an assignment operator. Here also it handles two operands. Okay. Then we have already seen a plus plus. This is another operator. Plus plus is an operator having only one operand. So depending on the number of operands, the operators are classified as follows. You will see that. Okay. The unary operator. Unary operator, those operators that require only single operand to act upon are known as unary operator. For example, increment and decrement operator. We already seen increment operator. So if you want to increment, we can simply write like this: increment by 1, same as a equal to a plus b, a plus 1. This is same as a plus plus. Both are same. A plus plus and a equal to a plus 1 are both same. So from now onwards, we will not use a equal to a plus 1 because it will take a little more time to, more seconds to write. This is more easy. A plus plus. A plus plus will increment by 1. The same thing, if I perform a minus minus, it's a decrement operator. So it's same as a is equal to a minus 1. They both are same. So the plus plus and minus minus operators are unary operators where it require only one operand. So that is the unary operator. Next one is a binary operator. Binary operator, those operators that require two operands to act upon are called binary operators. Okay. With two operands, normal operators are binary operators. A plus B, addition, subtraction, all that are binary operators where it requires two operands. Okay, let's discuss about binary operators more. Okay, actually we have been using this binary operator heavily in our program. So we will again classify this binary operators into the following. First one, arithmetic operators. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus is also there. We have already discussed about modulus. Modulus operator and the remainder at after an integer division. So it will give the remainder after division. Addition we all know, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So these are the arithmetic operators, arithmetic binary operators. So we will discuss the next classification is relational operator. Relational operator. So relational operator are double equal to. Check if the value of two operands are equal or not. If yes, then the condition become true. So that is double equal. We have been using that. If I want to check two values are equal, if I am checking, for that I will use the if operator. If keyword, if keyword will be used, and if I want to check a equal to b, then I will not write like this. It's wrong because this is assignment. If I want to check, I have to use this operator, a double equal to b. In this way we have to write. If a double equal to b, we have to perform some operations. Okay. Just opposite of double equal to, if I want to check not equal to, I want to check like that, then I can use the symbol exclamation mark equal to. It's called not equal to. Not, we will say it as not like exclamation mark equal to. Instead of that, we will say it as not equal to. Check if the value of two operands are equal or not. If the values are not equal, then the condition becomes true. So that is a not equal to b. A, we will write one. So same code we can write like this. If a not equal to b. Like this. Okay. So next is the less than, greater than and less than symbols. Okay. Check if the value of the left operand is greater than the value of the right operand. If yes, the condition become true. This is opposite of that. Less than, check if the value of the left operand is less than the value of the right operand. If yes, then the condition become true. We already know that. I will write if a is greater than b. So actually what we are checking is if the left operand is greater than the right. If it is true, then it will return true. Same thing if a less than b. A less than b means the value of the left operand is less than the right operand. So we have, if I want to check less than or equal to, that is also possible. So that's the next one. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Not equal to less than, not equal to greater than. So you have to use first of all the greater than symbol, then equal to, and the less than symbol, and then equal to. Okay. So less than or equal to. Check if the value of the left operand is greater than or equal to the value of the right operand. So here equal to is also there, or greater than or equal. If yes, then the condition becomes true. If value less than or equal to, check if the value of the left operand is less than or equal to the value of the right operand. If yes, then the condition becomes true. So same condition we can use here. If a is greater than or equal to b, or if a is less than or equal to b. So we cannot write like this. If a is equal to less than b, it's wrong. This will not work. Okay. So first the symbol less than or greater than, then equal to we can use. So this is the relational operators that we have, mainly used with if statements. If you want to ask if you want to ask like that, if it is possible like that, then we can use these symbols. Okay, this is the relational operators. So binary operators, it's classified into arithmetic operator, relational operator. This is further classified. The next one is the logical operator. Okay, this is very important operator because we are being not using this. So if you use these logical operators, the size of the program can be reduced. Okay. So and is the first logical operator. If both the operands are non-zero, then the condition becomes true. If we want to check that, we can use AND operator. Okay, so I will show you an example. I want to check whether if A is greater than B. If A is greater than B. I also want to check if A is greater than C. If these two conditions are true, then I can simply say that A is the largest number. I'm checking the largest of three numbers. Okay. So if A is greater than B, that's a condition. If it is true, and if I use AND operator, what it means is that it will first check whether A is greater than B. If it is true, then it will not return anything. It will wait for A to A. We will check again A is greater than C. If both these conditions are true, then only it will give the answer. So we can solve that. We can add brackets here also. A is greater than. So it will be performing like this. It will check A greater than B and A greater than C, and it will check whether these two conditions are true. So that is the AND operator. So AND operator, the binary, the logical AND operator, it's called the logical AND operator. We have to use double AND. If both the operands are non-zero, means both the operands means this is an operand, A greater than B is an operand, and A greater than C is another operand. If both are true, then only it will return true. So the largest of three number code, we can modify that like this: A greater than B and A greater than C. Okay. Similarly, I have another operator called OR operator. It's called the logical OR operator. If any of the two operands are non-zero, then the condition becomes true. I don't want to check both. If A greater than B or A greater than C, then it's a logical AND operator. Logical AND. So we have to use the logical AND symbol. So same code we can repeat. Here both A and B should be A should be greater than B and A should be greater than C. Condition should be satisfied. Here it is not like that. If instead of AND, I am using OR. I am using the O symbol. There's a pipe symbol in the keyboard, so we can use that O symbol. Then what it means, either A should be greater than B or A should be greater than C. If any of these conditions true, then we can say that the statement, the condition is true. So that is the logical OR. Okay. Next one, NOT. It's called the logical NOT operator. Logical NOT operator. It is used to reverse the logical state of its operand. Okay. If the condition is true, then the logical NOT operator will make it false. So it will negate the operation. So if I want to write like this, I simply want to check if A is greater than B. If A is greater than B, I want to negate that. Then it is true. A is greater. I want to negate that. I can simply write A less than B. Instead of that, I can use the negation operator. Instead of this, I can use the exclamation. So that means I will check whether A is greater than B. If it is true, then we will give the opposite answer. It will return false. Okay. And similarly, if A is greater than B is false, then it will be returned true. Like that. So in many problems, we may want to use this. So if you want to use that, we can use this logical NOT operator. So these are the logical operators. So binary operators, first one arithmetic operators, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and mod. And then the relational operators, double equal to, less than, greater than, not equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, like that. And the final one, the logical operators. For logical operators, AND is there, OR is there, NOT is there. Okay. So remaining things we will discuss later, I think. Bitwise operator is also there. Then assignment operator, that we will discuss later. Thank you.